Every day your car takes a beating from the environment, rocks from the highway, the occasional rough car wash, and that intense Los Angeles sun. Over time, your ride loses its shine and market value. Annoying, right? Want to avoid these issues? Welcome to Monarch Motorsport, and in this video, I'll tell you all about the car paint protection film, or PPF. Check out how it works. We install a small piece of film and expose it to mechanical impact. It's hard to believe, but when the film gets damaged, it self-heals with the application of heat. We use a heat gun, but in everyday life, you don't even need it. The Californian sun will do the job for you. But what if we step it up, and let's say your car has a minor accident or falls victim to street vandalism? The film might take a hit, and sometimes the sun won't fix that. But often, your car underneath, perfectly fine. All you gotta do is swap out the messed up piece of film, and you're good, way cheaper than a full repair. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? I bet you're wondering, how much does it cost? Pricing always varies depending on the size and design of your car, the cost of the film, and other factors. Call us now at 424-440-4094 to get an exact quote for your vehicle. But what if I told you that, in the end, installing the film won't cost you a penny? How is that possible, you ask? The logic is straightforward. A car with PPF installed adds to its market value. At least the amount you'd spend on the installation, since the film is highly durable with a 10-year manufacturer warranty. And even if you don't ever plan on selling your car, installing PPF makes even more sense. Over a decade of driving, its surface will incur substantial damage, and restoration will cost you on average 3 or 4 times the price of installing the film. In other words, a penny saved is a penny earned. Just as buying a phone case and installing protective glass is a wise long-term decision, protecting your car with PPF is a choice of smart drivers who know the value of money. If you're one of them, call us right now at 424-440-4094 for a free cost estimate or to book a free demonstration in our shop. There you can witness the magic you just saw in this video firsthand. What are you waiting for? Call 424-440-4094 now, and let's do it!